In this video, I'll show you how to make sodium nitrate from a cheap ingredient you probably already have, baking soda. It's surprisingly simple. Before we go and actually make it, I just want to explain the reaction to you. The nitric acid and baking soda react with each other to form water and CO2. The remaining sodium and nitrate ions stay in solution as sodium nitrate. First, you need a large beaker to contain the bubbling. And then you need to slowly add the nitric acid. Be careful so it doesn't spill over. This can also release toxic gas, so do it outside or in a fume hood. Now that the reaction is done, we can start the next process, getting rid of the water. First add some water and put it on a hot plate if you have one. Now, boiling this can also release nitric acid fumes, so make sure you do it outside or in a fume hood. Never breathe that stuff in. Now that all the water is gone, you have these sodium nitrate crystals left. Now, these crystals are still full of impurities and a lot of nitric acid, so you have to do one last thing to get rid of it. Again, add some water and then boil it down. While it's still hot, pour it in a smaller beaker and watch it crystallize. After drying, you've got these very pure sodium nitrate crystals, and I got about 93 grams, which isn't bad. I will upload my next video in hopefully a week. Should I try making a nitrate again, or should I do something a little different, like turning iron into a salt?